Okay, this is a Honda 2017. What happened was they left it on 4 brakes. So we end up installing the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. We're gonna go ahead and arm the system by hitting lock. No need to carry another remote control. So if anybody walks up and they try to bust out the lug nut locks or leave the car on 4 brakes or break the window, bust out the keyhole, it's going to fire off the factory alarm system. This is a shock sensor add-on kit. You may purchase it on our website. It's at addshocksensor.com, and it comes with a YouTube video how to install it. If you know how to follow directions, you should not have any issues installing the kit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and bang in the glass real quick. Disarm it, you're going to hit unlock, and that will disarm the alarm system. Thank you for